over 60. These 4 cooked vegetables may naturally support your vision while you sleep. Have you ever hoped to wake up with clearer vision than the night before? It might surprise you, but certain cooked vegetables, ones you probably already have in your kitchen, can actually support and nourish aging eyes, even while you sleep. It sounds simple, but after years of helping older adults, I've seen one issue come up time and time again: the gradual loss of clear vision. From trouble driving at night to difficulty recognizing faces or reading small print, these changes can sneak up on you. You might feel hesitant to ask someone for help reading, or uncomfortable in unfamiliar places because your eyesight just isn't what it used to be. The truth is, vision decline often happens so slowly we don't realize it until it begins to affect daily life. But this isn't your fault. It's a natural part of aging. The good news? You can still give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay strong for years to come. When cooked the right way, certain vegetables become powerful tools for eye health. In this video, we'll look at 4 of the best options, starting with a classic you probably know, and ending with one that's often overlooked but may be the most beneficial of all. If keeping your vision sharp is important to you, stick around, you won't want to miss this. 1. Carrots, a simple way to support night vision. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and it turns out there's real science behind that. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a plant compound that your body turns into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for healthy eyesight. Vitamin A helps your eyes produce rhodopsin, a protein needed to see clearly in low light. Without enough of it, you may struggle with night vision, feel discomfort when adjusting between bright and dark spaces, or experience glare while driving at night, common signs of night blindness. Here's the key. Cooked carrots are more beneficial than raw ones. Cooking breaks down tough plant fibers, making it easier for your body to absorb beta-carotene. And because it's fat-soluble, pairing cooked carrots with a little healthy fat, like olive oil, ghee, or avocado oil, can greatly boost absorption. Eating carrots in the evening can be especially helpful. That's when your eyes begin their natural repair process, rebuilding retinal cells during sleep. Vitamin A also helps protect the cornea and supports the immune system, reducing the risk of eye infections and inflammation. For best results, aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Try them roasted with olive oil, lightly steamed with herbs, or added to a veggie stir-fry. It's a small, tasty habit that may help improve clarity at night and protect your eyes over time. 2. Broccoli, a natural shield for your eyes. While carrots help sharpen vision in the dark, broccoli offers something equally important: protection from within. One of the biggest threats to eye health as we age is something we don't often notice: low-grade chronic inflammation. This kind of hidden inflammation can slowly harm the tiny blood vessels and retinal cells in your eyes, disrupting how oxygen and nutrients reach these sensitive tissues. Over time, it can contribute to serious conditions like macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and glaucoma. Broccoli is a rich source of compounds that help defend against this kind of damage. Its dark green florets are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that naturally gather in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for clear, detailed vision. These nutrients act like built-in sunglasses, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress caused by sunlight and screens. They also help maintain the structure of the macula, keeping your vision sharp. What sets broccoli apart is its high content of sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound that triggers your body's own defense systems. Instead of just supplying antioxidants, sulforaphane helps activate the genes responsible for protecting and repairing cells, including those in your eyes. This makes broccoli's benefits last longer than what you'd get from a supplement or one-time boost. To unlock these benefits, preparation matters. Raw broccoli is healthy, but lightly steaming it makes the nutrients more accessible by breaking down tough fibers. And because lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, adding a bit of olive oil or cheese improves absorption. Just half a cup of steamed broccoli 3 to 4 times a week can support long-term eye health, especially in older adults dealing with eye strain, tiredness, or early vision changes. Even the stalks of broccoli are beneficial. They're rich in fiber, vitamin C, and nutrients that support circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen to eye tissues. Over time, consistent intake can help reduce inflammation, improve comfort, and lower the risk of age-related eye conditions. Sometimes, the best protection doesn't come from expensive pills or complicated treatments. It comes from simple, everyday vegetables prepared in the right way. 3. Kale, nature's protective eyewear for aging eyes. Kale may look like just another leafy green, but when it comes to protecting your vision, it's one of the most powerful vegetables you can eat. For people concerned about age-related eye conditions, especially macular degeneration, kale offers a natural line of defense. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, is a gradual deterioration of the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for fine detail. As the macula weakens, everyday tasks like reading, recognizing faces, or pouring a glass of water can become frustrating and difficult. Kale stands out because it's loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are stored directly in the macula. These nutrients help shield the eyes from blue light and reduce oxidative stress, functioning almost like a natural pair of sunglasses. Unlike some nutrients, the body can't produce lutein or zeaxanthin on its own. They must come from food. Kale is among the richest sources of both. Research suggests that people who regularly consume foods high in these pigments tend to have a thicker layer of protective pigment in their macula, which is associated with a lower risk of AMD. But to get the most out of kale, it needs to be prepared the right way. Raw kale contains oxalates, compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption and cause digestive discomfort for some people. Lightly steaming or sautéing kale not only makes it easier to digest, but also helps unlock and preserve the nutrients. Since lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, adding a bit of olive oil, avocado oil, or even a sprinkle of cheese helps your body absorb them more effectively. Beyond carotenoids, kale is also rich in vitamin C, which supports the cornea and connective tissues in the eye, and vitamin K, which aids circulation, especially important for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the retina through tiny, fragile blood vessels. Additionally, kale contains flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, which help fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to vision decline over time. While kale won't reverse vision loss, including it in your meals regularly can slow the progression of degeneration and help protect the vision you still have. The good news is, adding kale to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Lightly steam it and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, sauté it with garlic, toss it into soups and stews, or even mix it into scrambled eggs or omelets. Aim to eat it 3 to 4 times per week for consistent benefit. Kale might not be as sweet as carrots or as mild as zucchini, but its nutrient density makes it a powerful ally in preserving your eyesight naturally as you age. 4. Zucchini, gentle hydration for dry, tired eyes. Zucchini might not get much attention, but for aging eyes, especially those dealing with dryness, irritation, or light sensitivity, it can be a soothing and effective ally. As we age, our bodies naturally lose moisture, and this affects the eyes too. Tear production decreases, making the eyes feel gritty, itchy, or tired, especially at night. Zucchini, made up of over 90% water, helps rehydrate the tissues in and around your eyes, supporting a more stable tear film, which is key to both comfort and clear vision. But there's more. Zucchini provides vitamin C for eye tissue strength, manganese for cellular repair, and a small dose of lutein, which helps shield the retina from stress. It's also very easy to digest, making it perfect for older adults or anyone with a sensitive stomach. To get the most out of it, lightly sauté or steam zucchini with a bit of olive or avocado oil to aid absorption. Add garlic, herbs, or lemon for flavor. Eating it in the evening helps your body use its nutrients during your natural overnight repair cycle. Each of these 4 vegetables, carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini, brings unique support to your eyes. When cooked gently and eaten regularly, they work together to improve night vision, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, support the macula and retina, keep your eyes hydrated and nourished. Simple vision-boosting recipe. In a pot, lightly sauté, 1/2 zucchini, chopped, 1/2 carrot, chopped. Cook for 5 minutes, then add broccoli florets, 1/4 cup kale. Add a splash of water or broth. Cover and steam until tender. Season with lemon, turmeric, or herbs. Eat 3 to 4 evenings a week to support your eyes during their natural repair cycle. Oh, you don't need fancy supplements or complex diets. Just a few simple vegetables, cooked with care, can help protect your vision, even into your 60s, 70s, or 80s. Aging eyes can still heal, still strengthen, and still respond to nourishment. So if you're just starting to notice changes in your vision, or already facing a condition like macular degeneration, remember, you're not helpless, you're not too late, and you're not alone. Progress doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes it's just one healthy meal, one calm evening, one clear moment, one bite at a time. If this message resonated with you, feel free to share it with someone who needs a little hope. And let us know in the comments, which veggie will you try first this week? Backhand index pointing down.